Well, here we are again. Up to no good? I'm going to do good this time. I'm going to do a rain dance. It's going to have a little bit of Cajun Caribbean magic to it with a little bit of the 60s psychedelic to it. And of course, a song I wrote just for this rain dance. We haven't had much rain, but here goes. Let it rain, let it love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, rain. Let it rain, let it rain, rain, rain. Oh no, we got 12. Loving it. Do you see the clouds yet? I see some. We got clouds coming. Ah, sweet rain, rain, rain. Well, I hope you like that. All I can say is you better order some wine so when this rain starts coming, you'll be ready to have your glass of wine and enjoy the rain. And then you can play that rain dance song again. Ta-ta, cheerio.